Hey, I wanted to come real quick and show you the new holiday products. We have some really fun stuff coming out, and one of them that is super exciting is our Ultra Stay Lip Lacquers. Yes, these are in essence lip stain, and the cool thing about them is they are made with safe ingredients, no formaldehyde. And for me, I haven't experienced that drying, chapping effect. There's a bit of a tingle when you put it on, but it is really awesome and it's staying well. So we are entering the holiday season with 3 colors. We have our cherry, which is a beautiful red, kind of a blue red, plum, very deep, and rose, which is a bit of a coral colored rose. And that's what I'm going to show you all today really quickly how to apply it. You want to exfoliate your lips fairly recently before using it, just in order to get the maximum staying power and the least amount of like peeling kind of thing. Just healthy lip tissue is a huge piece. But once you've got it, you're going to take your applicator and you're going to hit the edge. And then fill in. Make sure it's straight because it's not coming off. And that's the bottom. You do not want to rub your lips together as you apply. I'm going to keep them apart. Get a little bit more here. And that is it. You can layer as much as you need, but you have a beautiful lip color that's going to stay in one of 3 different colors. And then after about 30 seconds to a minute, you apply the lip sealer. It is very thin in texture. It feels kind of like a lip balm almost. And it just puts that moisture on top, gives you some shine, and really seals that color in place. And you can use that as needed every few hours, perhaps. Then there is a lip eraser, and this guy works beautifully. I used this to take off the deep plum and then immediately put on the red, and there was no issue, no bleed, nothing. So this actually reminds me of the fruity flavored lip glosses when I was a kid. It kind of tastes like that. It's pretty thin also. You're going to apply it all over your lip, press your lips together, just give it a minute to kind of work, and then use something like a wet paper towel to remove it. And it comes off well. You may have to do it a couple times to get it off fully, but it is super fun. And then when you're ready, just a quick little apply, and I'm still so shocked, like looking at the end of that thing. It stays white on top of this rose color. It's crazy. So those are exciting, and the pack of 3, all 3 steps, is $39. So wonderful pricing for all 3 pieces that will serve you so well, or someone in your life who loves some beautiful lip color. We also have a fun multi-masking pod. So this is 4 different masks that do 4 different things, and it's super fun for a gift idea, or if you just like to kind of change it up with your masks, or for like a girl's birthday night, spa session. You can bring me in and we'll have one together. But the different masks are awesome. One of them has hyaluronic acid in it, which is a huge component of our body's youthfulness and function. And so one of them is going to be really depositing amazing stuff into your skin so it glows and looks healthy. Another one is more for pore cleansing and, pulling junk out of your skin, cleaning, all that kind of stuff. One is for energizing and really giving your skin some life and some rejuvenation. And then one is for calming, and so has rose hips and panthenol and just some good calming properties for your skin. So this is really, really fun. It's only $25 for the whole thing. And right along with it, we have a mask applicator. If y'all are in love with the charcoal mask, this is going to be your best friend because it's silicone, so you can apply a mask without getting your hands crazy, and then it's very easy to clean. And so this could be a really handy tool in your bathroom for doing your mask, getting it placed exactly where you want, not having a mess on your hands. So that's our mask applicator for $12. And then the only other things that I have to show you are some fragrance wands. We've got Live Fearlessly, which is a beautiful, look at that, so nice. And it has a little spray tip on the end. Forever Diamonds is our second one, and Cityscape. Cityscape is a really fresh, cool, kind of hip smell. Forever Diamonds has a bit of a musk to it, a rich, kind of a little bit heavier smell. And then Live Fearlessly is kind of right in between. It has a little bit more of a floral to it, but not heavy floral. So those are cool. We have a body mousse, Be Delighted, that smells amazing. So it's good, thick, luxurious, moisturizing. And then a silkening dry oil. And this is in the Cityscape smell as well, and just gives your whole body a softness and just that extra hydration for this winter time. So those are our fun fall holiday products. And as always, if I can get to you with a sample of something, if you want more information, you just want to try those lip lacquers, I'd be happy to. And if there's something that you actually need, or you want to start thinking for Christmas gifts, let me know. I'm here for you to make your beauty experience simple and more fun, where it doesn't feel complicated and confusing and overwhelming, right? So here's Jess, your BFF, signing off.